the health and safety of airport workers and all travelers. Please be mindful of social distancing protocols.
Now,
Masks are required
this is the
inside the terminal
walkway
and
of
throughout your
Terminal
travel journey.
D
Watch for
of
visual markers on the
LaGuardia.
floor and in jetways. Note 6-foot clearances between guests. Finally, utilize hand sanitizing stations throughout the terminal. Thanks for your attention.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Larmix01. Right now, I'm back to work again for this month of August. Starting today, I'm working on a 3-day trip. My first day today, and then tomorrow I'll be having 2 flights. And my last day will only be 2 flights again, and then a deadhead just to get home. A deadhead flight is a flight wherein you have to get on a flight as a passenger just to get back home, to go back to your domicile or your airport home base. And then a deadhead can also be land transportation, transferring from one airport to another, which is like, for example, from Newark, New Jersey into New York City Airport. So that's gonna be my deadhead on my last day. I apologize for you guys because it's really mandatory to wear mask even inside the airport. And I'm just following the rules and regulations. Okay, it's good to see you again and enjoy. I got here into my hotel in Newark, New Jersey around before 8 in the evening. So it's really a long day today, but I'm happy. And because this is my job, so it's fine. So I'm gonna show you right now my hotel room. Hope you like it. Our next flight is going to Duluth, Minnesota, coming here from Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's gonna be a short flight, maybe just like 30-minute flight. So see you there. I'm here now in my hotel room in Duluth, Minnesota, just relaxing now. So this morning, our crew started around 8 in the morning, and we got here in Duluth from Minneapolis, Minnesota around 1 o'clock local time. So we started from Newark this morning to Minneapolis. So we had 2 flights today. Good morning, good morning. This is my last working flight for today. Third day, last day of my 3-day trip from Minneapolis to Newark, New Jersey. Hello, good afternoon. Now I got here in Newark. It's around 11:45 a.m. So this is the last flight for the day, and then I'm going to take my airport to airport land transportation Deadhead to LaGuardia. Thank you once again for watching my video, and I appreciate your time. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. So don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you'll get updated on the upload of my incoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like and also share this video. Thank you and see you. Peace out. Bye bye.